pie's as good as always, Minnie. What do you put in here that makes it taste so good?
That good vanilla from Mexico. And something else real special.
You know, I've always said that this would be so much better with a little bit of alcohol.
Eat my shit.
Did you say something?
I said eat my shit.
Couldn't you just keep eating it until you throw up?
No, ma'am. But you about to. 'Cause you just did.
I've had worse. Baker Beaks, welcome, and yes, I'm still here, I'm still doing it, and today I'm very excited. Today I'm making a pie. An old dear friend gave me the recipe from Jackson, Mississippi. There, it's called A Terrible Awful. I honestly don't know why. So of course I've added my own little spin on it, and with Bailey's. So without further ado, let's go and make a Lucille Liqueurs Terrible Awful pie, shall we? Right, my loves, now you want to grease-proof your pie pan. I've already done mine, and I've already processed my graham crackers, and I've already got the melted butter. So you want to combine them together. Pop in your melted butter, and then you can like slowly press down with a spoon. Then you want to get cornstarch and 1/4 cup of milk. So you pop those in together, pour in your milk, give it a good whisk and leave it to one side. Get your chocolate chips, 170 grams. Pop that in. Now you want to add 3 to 4 cups of Bailey's. Now you want to put it on the oven on a low. And continue to whisk, otherwise the chocolate will burn. Now that's melted, you want to add in your remaining milk, and then you want to add in your cornstarch mix. Now you want to bring your mixture to a complete boil. Continuously stir. I know, but for around 2 minutes, and then she will thicken. Take her off the stove, get your pie crust, keep whisking, and then just slowly just put the filling in. Delish. Let's put that to one side. Now what you want to do is you want to pop this in the fridge for 1 hour and then make the chocolate ganache. Right, now that the pie has been in the fridge for 1 hour, we are going to go ahead and make the chocolate ganache. All you're going to need is 170 grams of chocolate chips, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of Bailey's. But I'm going to throw 2 in for good measure. So we're going to put 2 in now. and then you just pour that over to the chocolate. Then once you've poured that over the chocolate, you just want to pop it into the microwave for 1 minute and then for 30 seconds intervals until it's completely smooth. Now that that's smooth, you want to leave it to one side to let it cool for 5 minutes. And then once that's done that, we are going to put it on top of the pie. Right, now that I've taken the pie out of the fridge and the chocolate ganache is all cooled down, what we're going to do is we're going to pour that over on the pie, like so. Just smooth it all over. Oh, pretty. And then once you're happy with that, you just put that back in the fridge and let it cool completely while we get on with the whipping cream. Now for the whipping cream, all you're going to need is just basically pop your whipping cream in a jug, whisk it up. Oh, and before I start, as it starts to thicken, then you just want to basically pop in your 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of Baileys. Now remember, don't whisk your whipping cream too much because it can go to smooth to curdled very quickly. So you just want stiff peaks. Mine is almost there. Yeah, you just want that. There you go. Right, now that the pie is all done, and my recommendation is pop it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours and then enjoy. Yummy, delish! And unfortunately, we are at the end of another episode, my little baby bees. I know, but don't you worry, I'll be back. But until then, you can find me on all the social sites, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, but I'm mostly on Instagram. And that's it, my little baby bees. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care. And be kind to one another. Bye-bye.